Whew.
Huh?
That's deep.
Yeah, it's deep. Oh my God! You talk about swimming!
Uh-oh!
Whoa!
Be careful.
Whoa!
Oh, there she goes. Barbie down. Now, yes, your butt's full of it now.
That's what we put the biscuit for.
Yep.
All right, now I gotta get
Uh-oh. Why said brick? What you got to say about that?
I love it! Hi, Destiny!
What you saying, though? What you saying?
Huh?
What is you saying about the cold?
It is damn cold,
No,
though.
that's not what you said earlier.
It's some Cajun. What I said about the cold?
I don't know.
It's some Cajun snow.
You said Mela.
Oh, Mila.
Mela, this is cold.
But this is cold, cold, shy. My honey's wet.
Yep. All right. It's still coming down. It's supposed to come down for a couple hours. We'll make another video.
I'm just gonna get the snow off of this.
Trying to save. That's our new orange tree. We're trying to save.
Let's hope. Come on, husband.
All right.